Indigo 10 has a powerful cleaning action for the safe and effective removal of black brake dust from wheels and industrial fallout on vehicle exteriors. I like it because it changes colour. Indigo 10's cleaning action causes a colour change reaction from clear to dark purple. It's safe for use on wheels, wheel trims, paintwork, plastics, glass, chrome, etc. Indigo 10 delivers a high gloss finish, so let me show you. Never apply onto hot wheels. If you need to, cool your wheels down first prior to applying the product. Spray over the wheel surface. If you think you need to, agitate the wheel cleaner to assist penetration into the dirt. Leave it on for up to approximately 5 minutes. Never allow the product to dry out. Then wash down the wheel with a high pressure rinse. Indigo 10 can also be used as a fallout remover. Just spray onto any surface including glass. Allow the product to work. It will turn purple if there is any contamination with fallout. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. Indigo 10 is pH neutral and safe on paint, plastics, glass and rubber trim.